What you want there for? What you gonna say to me?
Can you call?
You're gonna make me feel better now. What? What?
Talk to me, bro. Talk to me, dog. Where you want with the time? Where you want with it?
But you need to tell the people that you're actually in a real healthy relationship, a girlfriend that supports you. Didn't you say you have anger issues? And didn't I say if you have any issue, even if you go to the doctor and they say, yeah, you have ADHD or you have bipolar or whatever, didn't I say I'm going to be here still? I'm going to still support you through all of it? Did I not say that?
Yeah, you said them thing there.
So please tell the people you have a loving, healthy relationship, a supportive girlfriend.
It's not a case, women. No, cut your still.
Okay, we'll proceed to talk then.
Yeah, it's not a case where I tell the people I'm say my relationship not healthy or nothing like that. And the things them where them I say on social media, before me even crash out or me even do nothing, them been I say all of them things. So and for you for just let us men's still and that's not my idea. That's not my.
Okay, it's not your intentions, but this is what happens when you come online and crash out and you don't, there's no context behind it.
I'll show you even before when it with just me, even before when we just meet and we kind of before you come to Jamaica, they must say all of them things there. They must say enough of them things there. And then when you're forward and when you cut them, just add on one bag of extra. So at that, like, me not have control over what they must say over. You understand?
I know you don't have control.
Yeah, but that's why you said the comments them affect me. And really and truly, some of the time, I really think the comments them affect you.
No, the comments don't affect me because I'm strong enough to hear. They tell me all type of stuff and I don't give a fuck because I don't know these motherfuckers from nowhere. My problem is when you say whatever and if they formulate and like insult my character because
what about the time? I understand, but
wait, let me say something. I don't like people insulting me as a female. I carry myself with respect. I respect my body. I respect myself as a female. So for people to just spin the narrative like I'm some little easy girl that anybody have access to, even before I met you, no one can access me. When I was single, I was never outside popping my pussy. I was at home. So for people to be like, oh, she's this and she's that. I'm not saying I'm perfect and I'm this goody two-shoe or whatever. But what I'm saying is, I'm not the type of person that don't respect my body. I respect my body. I see myself as a queen. So for these people to come and gal me up on the internet and I say, I'm friendly. And first and foremost, I'm on TikTok. I have to talk to people. I have to talk to people on the internet. If it's TikTok, like what am I supposed to do? Stand up and look because I have a man now. I'm supposed to just be like this. When you talk to females, they encourage you. When I talk to males and I'm just polite, you're friendly. Yeah, this Tavi. Tavi this, Tavi that. And I'm like, this is so stupid to me. And childish. Oh my God, no way.
Yo, watch me. Big, yo, stop now. And call my phone. Aldaree. Stop, call my phone. Call my phone now. Aldaree, call my phone now. Aldaree, call my phone so I can come off alive now. Please. You can call my phone. Me even not do nothing public or me not try for. Me know where you try to take yourself out of the thing. Alright then. Alright then, Aldaree. No problem. No problem. Sorry. But don't have any fucking control of how them people are, where them people have to say out of their mouth. But don't have no fucking control of how them people are, where them people have to say out of their mouth. Alright. A them thing a dog. But don't have control of where them people have to say. But there some me a call you, G. Me there me a call, bro. Even half me a call. Lock out my comments them now. Yo, me lock out my comments them now. Yo, lock out the comment section there. Lock out the comments them. No, call back still. No, call back still. I'm gonna stop talking about it then now. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking now, man. I'm stop talking. And it's not like say me give up on you. I'm not have no intention enough to deal with you again. But this not fair to me still. It's not fair to me how everything just transpired. The fact that people will say this and that and then me just look like say me I allow it. Like me not everything not fair, daddy. And I go on with bare fuckery, you know. But this not right, man. One conversation me I try have with you for know why the pray. It's not right, man. This not right now, man. This door right now, man. It just upsetting your fuck, daddy. And you talk to everybody else and you not talk to me. That upsetting, daddy. That upsetting. Sure. Nicole, me not take no more message from you, Nicole, from her. I did somebody know, Miss Henry. Respect you, know, Miss Henry. Respect you, know, Miss Nicole. Nicole, I love you, know. But me really don't want to hear from you still. And I like me at this, you know. Me know say I'm going to reach out to her and she going to tell her thing for tell me, but me really don't want to hear it. And she want to link me and tell me herself. I'm there try to focus seriously, dog. It's hard for focus, daddy. When me there we see the whole of them thing you are going. It's hard for focus. It's hard for focus. For no say, me invest love, time, energy in other one, somebody are the real sweet charging and all of this are going. Me don't do the nothing. I'm the bad guy. What? 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 What you want there for? What you gonna say to me?
Can you call?
We're gonna make me feel better now. Eh?
Baby, can we talk offline?
What? What? What you gonna say to me?
Can you come
What
offline?
you gonna say to me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Guys, just be patient.
Leave me a fucking alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Fuck. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Love me out. Me I make my money. For to shoot me thing. Leave me alone. Me not call your name. Me not mention you. Leave me alone.
Me not mention you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone.
Yo,
Stop. Nah, stop.
like what is there to laugh about? Why is it funny?
I better stop like that, man.
No time for none of them. I'm not stop till I reach my goal now. I'm tired right now. I'm tired of people that talk no for me for my tears them. I should do this to me, bro. I should do this. I never do nothing for deserve this. I'm tired for feel like I want to kill people. I'm tired. I go around the world, I'm gonna do it by myself. I'm not stop. I'm not stop till my non-stop till I reach. Follow the page. But I want to be normal. I'm not talking about medication and the way I want to deal with me, bro. Not the way I want to deal with me. I'm fucking tired. 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 I'm tired for showing my face. I'm tired, I. I'm tired. I'm tired, brother.
Alright then, go for coffee. Alright, you want to know?
Yeah, please.
Appleton, you know.
I'm a G, big up.
So you man say dog, you man say.
What's up?
So man, come on. Sit down my dog.
Appleton there.
Maya, bring Appleton for me. So you man say Tavi, what you want with it? What you tell me all you want to take over the world, bro? Which skit you want to work on so we just get the support from the people and we just blow away at the dog. Tell me what you want with the man. Talk to me, bro. Talk to me, dog. What you want with the Tavi? What you want with it? Man, well,
Pinky.
yeah, man, say that.
Me I gotta take over the world.
Happy. Me and you go do it together. We are gonna support you. Happy people.
Alright then. You
So-
may say no?
Yeah, dog.
You may say. But there so, let me just do me at the TJ.
What time are you in
When
there?
we don't look at it.
It's outside.
Alright then.
Go for coffee.
Alright.
You want to know?
Yeah, please.
Appleton, you know.
I'm a G, big up.
So yeah, man, say dog. Yeah, man, say.
What's up?
So man,
Come
come
on.
on. Sit down, my dog.
Appleton there.
Maya, bring Appleton for me. So yeah, man, say Tavi. So we just get the support from the people and we just blow away at the dog. Tell me what you want with the man. Talk to me, bro. Talk to me, dog. What you want with the Tavi? What you want with it? Man, well, I reason that. All you want with it, just tell me the plan, reach out to some people that reach out to corporate, and we get the things done, dog. Nobody can stop you, dog. You see me?
Fuck up, Steve.
Maya, that's what I let him
Let him up and lock the door.
Alright. Land the letter to you know.
Alright then.
Land the good?
Maya.
Alright,
And she never want to talk to me.
Alright, forget about
Alright then, bro. Me there take over the world.
Alright, so you do it by yourself then?
Yeah.
Alright, good. You can do it by yourself. So here one now. You're going to work on the skip. So what we need, you say what, 6
What the
years?
fuck she telling us about what we good?
No man, forget about that.
What?
Forget about that, not Tavi. Yeah, this shot from the skip might you don't tell us we are working on the
We
skip.
don't focus on that, and that alone I have to focus on.
Alright, so what else you need?
Yeah.
The car
Yeah.
done right and everything.
Alright then, let me see how much money I make.
The money there, bro.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright, so
Alright then.
one.
Alright, me I gonna take over the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I gonna take over the world.
So what you need now?
What we need?
Yeah.
What we need? What we need?
Welsening,
What we need?
Welsening,
What we need?
Welsening,
What we need?
Welsening.
Me I think of casting
Tell me what is
So what you saying that's so that
You think of casting?
what is the project name? Can you have the script
Yo,
already?
why my door still open? Lock the door now.
Maya.
What shall we do? Maya out there.
Maya gone.
Alright then, lock the door till Maya forward.
Alright, pull up the door, make sure you
Pull up the door.
Lock it till Maya forward.
Alright. No police out there, dog. You know,
No, I'm not care that. Police come on me yard for what?
no police out there. No police out there. So you want to tell you no. So we want to do now so we can calm down and just deal with it in the proper way.
Yeah.
I just you have to tell you how you want to deal with it, that. So you have to just calm down, relax, because you have to take over the
We
work.
don't have time for calm now.
No, but
Lando,
Not too
Lando, we work with you already.
Yeah.
No, Friends and Festival, Fry Fish. Which part the same place on now, man?
Everybody have it on there?
More than that. If them not have it, just bombo clap, brother. Is that black that? You are forced me to see a black, you know? YouTube black.
Bombo class!
Where the bombo clap this?
This boy,
Brother, me have to touch that. We can't touch that.
The black class!
Yeah, brother, me never see this. Bombo clap.
No, man. Hey, Tavi, can we find YouTube?
Brother, my wife have been.
No, you don't want to laugh. Man, this is chat. So now, come on, like, you don't want to acknowledge your man greatness. This is where Maya work for the dog. Have it. And I take the man thing for joke, bro. 100,000 subscribers.
Brother, me never a TV alone. Me see this man when I'm wife have been. Yo, Tavi.
The dog name there. Tavi.
Let me see this one, you know.
How many find you make it? Are you make it or are you some?
Bumbo
Tavi,
club.
Put that
Man. Chat. A TV alone, me see this one, you know. Pussy. Yo, me never know so me that touch this in a real life.
David, I Maya dream no. Fun, you know Maya do YouTube, dog. You know that. I share dream find a better. Right now, Maya want to keep who just go buy a while. How much you find it? 57,000 to buy a key. No. You have that picture here? No, show him. No, show him. Can things are like me I tell. Show him. Make him see. Maya, show him the cake. Can things are like we I tell. And that's where I come from, bro. I know why things so just put on a shoe. You have a look. She just go buy the cake because she reached 57,000 dollars. And you the 100 can't get all class.
Brother TJ, right now me feeling
I
inspired.
want to tap you, man. And you do them thing, you dog. I want to, man. Let's take a picture of this, man.
Take another picture
Let's
with
take a
me.
picture of this one for man.
You can take a
I
picture
got
with
some food. I got some food.
Inspiration, dog.
So far, bro.
Inspiration. Yeah, TJ, fry fish.
Fry fish on festival.
Dog, TJ alone. Lock the door. TJ alone. Me see them taking up on it. Lock the door. One, bro. You inspire me, dog.
You can only bust off still.
Dog,
Best a good one.
good word. Jano, dog. Brother, I never know that. See this in a real life, dog. You know what YouTube thing, bro? YouTube, man. Nah, really work for me, dog. Jano, this motivate me, dog. God know. God know, dog. Believe me.
But yes,
Okay, bro.
what that?
Love you.
When we do, that for just there some big determined.
Determined and nothing wrong with that. That's
And
how
we no do
no
nothing. That's the man said.
She not left it out, man. She still check
She said that.
Huh?
She said
she left
that. She blocked my page and every fucking thing. I accept it. I'm just there so determined. What the fuck she over this bad? Oh wow, been about my determination.
That for sure she love the same way. Maybe she should say as some people, me I say, we know you're alright, you know, watch it. London them know you're alright. Me come here know me to say alright, isn't it? People would
Alright.
say, yo, something there. And I feel like if she see her behave that way and she knows that yo, this so it can hurt her, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I just understand. I love man. All I know you're not come.
I'm not even talk about that.
She check fear, man. Not put that in my head, man.
check for you, man. She love you, bro, man. I see she shut down whole heap of thing, but I just a relationship going on, man. Just say the thing, brother. We just have to take over the world, bro.
Charge, we're not about the world where I talk about now.
So we just have to take over the world, bro. That's the aim, right now. Drop them project, yeah. Get the money we needed to drop the project, fuck up the place. You see me? Yeah, dog. I'm just gonna say, alright.
So, my place will fuck up still.
No, you don't want to see my room. Let's go for my room. We have this clean compared to my room, brother. Right now, me have a rat and roach.
Can I help him straighten it up, man?
Good. Right now, bro, me not see no rat, me not see no roach. A rat and roach, me not sleep with, bro. Good, bro. You see me?
And the people around him love him too, you know?
Yeah, the people love him, you know. Bro, you can't say comedy and not mention them, man. You see? Yeah, the people them love the dog, man. But more when you not see it, bro, it just make you feel like you don't love. You see me? And just that. But the dog love.
Yeah, we have to, man. It's certain things where you can't mind, brother. Just free your mind from it, isn't it? Yeah. There are certain things. Choose one and wear the best and work on that and work on them the first, isn't it? And then go on from there. So try to do everything one time. I feel like that, isn't it? You know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, well, me always say, bro, the passion and the love way dog have for them, man.
See,
Oh, that Flintstone. Oh, no.
also, you need more to
We
come
need
with that.
everybody, yeah. They have feel, man.
Man. Give him strength, isn't it? More feel love that way. Him alone there doing thing and him now sing him from it. So when I come around and give him the strength, so long as I call him, they and him free mind for some then him say come in and so
That's why we say we not pressure and love him, we have to make him right.
yeah, man,
So
come around man and give him the
And the support to bro, the people them, everybody we are real, bro. Yeah, they are.
taking and carry upon the ends more, isn't it?
I see them man a talent, Steve. You see the funding behind them man a talent, bro.
I know.
I tell you, the funding, if you set the real estate, Steve, you might put Jamaica on the map. I tell you that. You see me? So we need to push the behind us.
How old are you, bro?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
We are 30.
Young, man. Young. Yeah,
I'll take a little time and put in the work, man. Go back on the drawing board, man, and start over, man. And see which part you buck it to and move from this, isn't it? I mean, always hear dog talk about you know, great talent, isn't it?
yeah. You talk about comedy, man. I have to mention them. Bro. You see? Because before me even know what is comedy, them man, bro. Me not even know say it was comedy was a thing like that, you see me? I see them man food line, rare. At one point I say artist, you see me? Then we start see dogs killing them, I say books like that. Yeah.
So when you smoke and drink in general, you have the water there, or make sure if you eat too, isn't it?
Yeah,
Much smoking and drinking and healthy for your side. I don't know, I think we have need that energy and them thing there.
Yeah, when it comes to that time, then I sober still. I don't have the time for that.
Yeah, when I'm working, I smoke and them.
Oh, okay. I just smoke and all the meds and things.
Everything just has to switch on, you know. Everything, I just
Alright, it's like how them there now. You see when you have things that stress you, why if you just take up all your phone and call them and chat to them and call them, yo, come give me a link. Yo, London, I can't come give you a link and sit them and raise with them. Just like tell them say you need people you can talk to, isn't it? If you go through certain things that you know nobody to talk with, them things that kind of carry in a depression.
Yeah, because you have enough time to, you know.
So like how them there now, you know, just free, express the feelings, man. Isn't it? Make them know what going on, so at times them can know so how them can pop on the dog, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, look on the dog, you can see a real.
And the energy not tell me that, Steve, man. From the first day, energy not tell me that.
Now express your feelings to them, man. So
Yeah.
they know what go on.
Yeah.
And them, if your family are there around you, them there around you as family still, man. You see me? Unity in I think. And they know say, and they can give advice. The next man you can give advice here, man. Take time, deal up. Then, why you see a certain tell your mother and them sit because we know you know, man, is it?
I said, man. You say they used to say me this and me that, you know. And I just the passion and the love, you know.
Enough man go treat man. You know everything, man.
Tell me say this and that and baby.
You have to go up on the stretch, man, you're in the dog, man. You have to go outside. Go out to go outside, go to the dog. Come here, bro.
Chat the dog, I walk.
Yeah? Yeah? Alright.
Chat him a walk out. So forward. But yeah, man, chat. Me just want to support the dog thing. Yeah, man, everybody we can read. We just support the dog thing. We just need to push them behind them thing. You see me? Yeah, bro. Because when they talk about chat, bang up.